Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your affiliate link in Make. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can start sharing your unique link with confidence. First, open Make. You can do this in your preferred browser. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your Make dashboard. Everything we need is available from there, and this process works the same on most devices. If you're on a smaller screen, just be aware that some menus may be tucked away behind icons. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is typically a small avatar or initial inside a circle. Click it to open the account menu. This menu is where Make keeps personal and account-related options, and it's the quickest route to program and settings pages you'll use from time to time. From the menu that appears, click Affiliate Program. That link takes you to the dedicated affiliate page. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct account and that the menu has fully expanded. Occasionally, you might need to scroll within the menu on smaller displays. Once you're on the affiliate page, you'll likely see an overview of the program, including a summary of benefits and any terms you should know. It can be helpful to take a moment to skim this so you're clear on how commissions and tracking work. Next, scroll down the affiliate page. Keep going until you reach the section where you can access your unique link. You're looking for a clear button or control labeled Get Your Affiliate Link. It's usually placed near a short description about sharing or tracking referrals. Click Get Your Affiliate Link. This will either generate your unique URL for the first time or reveal the link if it's already been created. Make will associate this link with your account so referrals are tracked correctly. If the link doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to update. Finally, copy your link. You might see a dedicated copy button next to it. If so, click that. If not, highlight the entire URL and copy it using your usual method. Consider pasting it into a safe place, like a Notes app, so you can grab it quickly later. You can also test it by pasting it into a new browser tab to ensure it loads the Make site as expected. That's it. You've opened Make, navigated through your profile menu to the affiliate program, scrolled to the right section, generated your link, and copied it. You're ready to share it wherever you promote Make.